Hey everybody, we have this Milwaukee Packout carry toolbox tool case here for sale. It does have a carry handle right here. It is in excellent shape, as you can tell in the video. It does have a few marks in it. It's a great tool case for your set. Here's a model number right here. Check out the listing for all the measurements of this case. This side does have some marks in it, but overall, for a tool case, this is in excellent shape. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.